To eat. To pay. Crowded. Empty. To go back. Every morning, I eat breakfast at home before I leave for work. My office is usually crowded with people, but today it is a bit quieter. During lunch, I go to a park that is usually empty, where I can relax and enjoy my meal. After eating, I pay for the sandwich and go back to the office to finish my tasks for the day.
Yesterday, I ate at a small cafe near my office. It was really crowded, so I couldn't find a seat. I decided to go to another place. I found a cafe that was almost empty, and it was quiet, perfect for me to relax. After I finished, I needed to pay the bill, and then I decided to go back to work.
Tomorrow I will eat at a new restaurant downtown. I'm not sure if it will be crowded, but I hope it's not. If it is, I'll just find another place. I heard there is a small cafe that is usually empty, and I might go there instead. After I pay for my meal, I will go back to the office to finish some work.
If I had more time, I would eat at a new restaurant. I think it would be crowded, but I would still try to find a seat. If I couldn't, I would go back to the small cafe that is usually empty. After I paid, I would relax and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere before returning to work.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our content, click the like button and subscribe to our channel.